Tactical Advantage. Today what we're going to do is take a look at one of my Poly 80 builds. This is my primary runner. Basically this one's been having some erratic trigger issues, acting like it wants to slam fire sometimes. Taken the upper off and tried it on another lower I have. So I know it's not really related to the striker. There's something in the trigger geometry that's kind of acting up a little bit. So the first thing we're going to try and do is change out the connector. I believe it's got a Ghost Ultimate or one of the Ghost connectors in it right now. We're going to go ahead and try one of these Black Yikes 3-pound connectors from the Glock Store. Not sure if I'm going to like this. I think the way that they do it, it has less of a defined wall. But we're going to try it anyway. So with that said, I'll go and give a couple trigger pulls to see if there's any difference on the new one versus the Ghost that's in here. Gosh, I wish I could remember the actual Ghost connector that I have, but I'm not exactly sure which one it is. It's been a while. But anyway, this will be a pretty short video. It's going to be a quick, easy install, and let's get her going. Okay, so first things first, gun is empty. Gun is clear. So we'll go ahead and get it charged. Let's see if we can get a trigger pull or two on it. Okay. Got our locking block loose. Don't need to take it all the way out. I'll go ahead and remove our trigger housing. Our trigger's out. Just cleaned this last night, so well lubed. So I'm not going to go nuts trying to explain what connectors do. There's plenty of videos out for that. So there you can see is the Ghost. And absolutely nothing wrong with Ghost. I really like their products. This one's just acting up. And in my troubleshooting, this is the first one, the first part that's seeming like it might be the culprit. We'll get that installed. Okay, that's in. Go ahead and get our trigger bar back in. And that's it, guys. That's how hard it is to change a connector. Go ahead and get that pushed back in. Locking block back into place. Put our front locking block pin back in. Go ahead and put our upper locking block pin back in. Slide stop. Our trigger pin. That's good. And then we'll go ahead and put our trigger housing pin back in. Okay, that's good enough. Go ahead and reassemble. Let's see if we can get a couple pulls off it. That's probably more about like it, so looks like it's shaved a little. And so that looks like pretty consistent right around the 312 ballpark. Reset still positive. The reset might be a little bit shorter. Did seem to reduce take up a little bit before the break point. And it'd be a little bit interesting to pre-stage that because it doesn't like stage up on the wall a little bit, but it feels pretty good. So that's it for this week, guys. I'll give you a review how it shoots at the range, but so far so good. Looks good, fits good, and we'll go from there. See you next time.